In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam Workshop files. There are a few different ways Steam Workshop files can be accessed, but in this tutorial, we're focusing on the standard and easiest method through Steam itself. This approach is especially useful if you want Steam to handle the download automatically, rather than trying to locate the files manually on your computer. To get started, open Steam and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Steam is open, navigate to the workshop page for the specific game you're working with. The workshop is where community-made content like mods, maps, skins, and other downloadable items are shared. Each game handles workshop content a little differently, but the overall process is usually the same. After you're on the correct workshop page, find and open the workshop item you want to download. This could be anything from a single mod to a user-created asset pack. Take a moment to confirm that it's the exact item you need, especially if there are several versions or similar uploads. Reading the item title and preview can help avoid downloading the wrong file. Once you've opened the items page, click the subscribe button. On Steam, subscribing to a workshop item is what triggers the download process. You typically won't need to manually save the file yourself because Steam links that item directly to your account and queues it for download automatically. After you subscribe, Steam will download the item the next time Steam refreshes or the game updates. In many cases, the download begins shortly after subscribing, but sometimes it may take a moment depending on your connection, the size of the item, or whether the game needs to be launched first. If you don't see it right away, give Steam a little time to sync. One helpful thing to remember is that workshop downloads are usually managed in the background, so you may not always get a big confirmation message. If you want to verify that it worked, you can return to the item page and check that you're still subscribed, or launch the game and look for the content inside the game's mod or workshop section. That's the basic process. Open Steam, go to the game's workshop page, open the item you want, click subscribe, and let Steam handle the download for you. It's simple, reliable, and the most common way to download Steam Workshop files.